Hello everyone. So today in this video we're going to talk about the most essential tool for studies, which is flashcards. Flashcards is the most powerful and a very useful, essential or a stationery required, especially during revision time. You can get these flashcards at online and some stationery shops, but you can do it by yourself. And this is a very right time to make your flashcards where your academic year is over and you're having your summer holidays right now and your new session is going to be starting. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make these flashcards, how to use them, and how we are going to store them in the right way. So let's get started into the video. So how to make these flashcards. So firstly, you'll be requiring these sheets. Basically, these are A4 size sheets you get in markets. So you can either have these, so there are other options as well. Firstly, if you have these, you can use them. Secondly, will be your old notebooks. Yes, you're going to use them. The academic year is over and you thought of throwing these books, but there are some books that are not used at all. Just take out them and you can get the maximum benefit out of it. These books I haven't used them at all. We are going to take these books and we are going to utilize them. Next, talking about the size of the flashcards, you can cut according to your need, how much size you want. You can also take the size of the post-its or sticky notes and you can also cut them as per your need. So I've already done it. One set I have taken it this particular size, and then the other one just a little bigger than that first set. And that's it. Your flashcards are ready. You can just use them. So basically, this is how the flashcards are made. So let us see how we are going to use these flashcards. Just to save your time, I've already made some set of flashcards. See, what you're going to do is take a particular sheet of paper, and what you're going to write is first the question in the front part. For example, here I've written, name the phylum of kingdom Animalia and their meaning. And backside, they're going to write the answer for the question written in the front. So I've written all the answers, that is Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, etc. So this is how we make flashcards. Write the question in front and the answer at the back. So what you can do is basically during the revision time, you can just take these flashcards during the revision time and then just read the questions and answer the questions properly. If you didn't get the answer, you can check at the back. Okay, now you got to know how to make these flashcards and how to use them, etc. Now let's see how to store them in a proper way. You get these paper clips, something like that. You can use them, you get in small and bigger sizes as well. What you can do is you can just take this particular complete set of flashcards according to the subject or topic or chapter, and you can just do it like, in case if you doesn't have, or if you don't want to purchase this particular paper clips, let's see the other option. For book covers, you use this particular plastic transparent foil or something like that. So we are going to use this one. So let's see. So this is how I store the flashcards. Basically, I just use this particular post-it and I write the particular subject. And when you open it, you get the flashcards inside. So this is how I store. So if you want to know how to make this particular thing, I'll upload another video. There are many options to store. You can also store in small boxes, but I personally prefer this plastic one or this paper clip. So you can just get a particular box and you can just store it in it in case if you want to, and it will be safe. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked this and found it a bit useful. Because I see people, buying flashcards at online, you can do in case if you don't have any time. But seriously, you have so many books just left out in your home, so you can just utilize them into these kind of things, which is very, very useful for you in studies, like flashcards. And you can also use those unused pages as to-do list, etc. So for more useful videos, please do stay connected to this channel. Let's see another interesting and helpful video. Bye.